today I'm going to talk about how to install these really long TapCons in my house. And my house is made out of foam block. That means it's stucco over the top of styrofoam, and then there's poured concrete. You can hear how hollow it is. So if you want to really mount something on the wall strongly, you got to use some really long TapCons. Now it's not that easy to do, because you go to the store and you get these TapCons, and I really recommend TapCon brand. They're made in the United States, which is better than being made somewhere else. You go there to Home Depot, you get the TapCons. These are 5-inchers, and they say use a longer bit. You need to drill a hole about 1/2 inch or 1/4 to 1/2 inch deeper than the TapCon. Well, you go there, and the longest bit they've got is 5.5. Oh, perfect. But you can't drill a 5.5 inch deep hole with a 5.5 inch deep bit, because for starters, the end of the bit is squared off for some stupid reason for a drill I don't have. You need to drill a hole that's that much longer than your drill bit, than your screw, which is long. See that? I'm going to drill all the way up to the chuck, and that's going to make a hole that's the right length. Where do you get such a drill? I got these at Ace Hardware. 3/16 by 6.5 inch long drills. So there's a good amount of it in the chuck of my hammer drill. See? Now, then they tell you drill that hole, and this thing drills those holes pretty nicely. And how do you? Next step is blowing out the hole. Blow out the bottom of the hole. How do you blow out a hole 5.5 inches, 6 inches deep? It's pretty tough. So I had to make a tool, because I don't have anything else. So what I did is I went to the hardware store and I bought this little tiny tube. That is a small tube. Can you see that? It turns out it's 1/8 inch tube. It's kind of in the hobby section. What are you going to do with a tube this small? I don't know, but it's brass. And then I bought this brass compression fitting. I already assembled it, so anyway, and then I take that brass compression fitting and I can screw it into the end of my blowgun that I bought at NAPA. See that? This thing screws right on in there pretty nicely. Oh, you know, it's not a leak-tight fit. Who cares? All I'm trying to do is blow out some holes. I put that baby on there, tighten it up with your wrenches, and you got this blowgun that can blow out your 5.5 inch deep hole. Drill bit, hammer drill, blow out the hole, and then the last thing I got was this long shank tool for installing nuts. Guess what it's called? A magnetic nut setter. I never knew it before. I got it on Amazon for about $8. And this little baby goes in my drill driver, locks in there, and I'll show you this hole, but I'm just going to show you. This baby goes all the way down in there. Get done drilling, put that drill down, grab this magnificent tool that I made, NAPA, Ace Hardware, put that baby in the hole here, put it all the way down into the hole. Watch your eyes, because that stuff comes shooting out of there. See that powder on my fingers? That's the concrete dust from the hole. TapCon, my really long TapCon, and my nice long drill driver bit, nut setter. There we go.